boy, oh boy, this industry is getting crazy, guys. There is so much fraud happening, and I want to prepare you guys before you buy anyone's education. I'm not just talking about the Daily Sniper, anyone's education to learn how to day trade. The biggest red flag is if your instructor uses Apex. They're gonna tell you this, okay? Before you get mad, they're gonna tell you this. They're all gonna tell you this. I don't trade real money because why would I risk my capital when I could trade Apex? It's cap. It's cap, guys. Apex has way too many rules. If they had real money to trade, they will be doing it, whether it's options or futures. At the Daily Sniper, guys, we will teach you how to make real money off of real money. We specialize in options trading. We have a 90% win rate. If you would like to be a part of us, guys, we have a 5-day free trial happening right now. It's probably only going to be for the next 2 weeks. If you would like to make real money off of real money and have a 90% win rate instructors with myself and Dimitri, guys, the link will be in the bio. Let's get into it. So first things first. On Wednesday's video, I give you guys a certain amount, certain key levels. First key level we ended up doing is 530. Why 530? This is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, right? Look at Wednesday's chart. Previous resistance, actually a big sell-off as soon as we hit 530. Let's scroll over to Thursday. Thursday, we ended up gapping down. We came back up, held its support, and we had massive upside potential. As soon as we rejected it, massive downside potential. This is why 530 is a massive level. On Friday, it was a very, very difficult to trade. Very difficult, guys. And days like this, I end up doing very well because I'm the type of trader who buys the best level possible and sells the move regardless. I get made fun of for the 10, 20 cent gang all the time, but that's what I do. I trade options, guys. Dimitri and myself, we size in 100, 200 contracts and we sell the move every time. It doesn't matter if we have the best entry of the day or anything, right? We focus on securing the bag, is which everyone that is watching this video needs to be concentrating on. If you are a day trader, you need to understand who cares about riding the full day's trend. You want to buy the best level, hit it with size, and sell the move. And when you're buying at the best level, you're going to know immediately if you are right or wrong. So on Friday's price action, guys, we ended up hitting puts at 529. This was our level, right? The previous floor of Thursday, we came back up, right? At the opening candle, we were floating above this level, hit the puts, sold the move, right? What then did we end up doing? I ended up hitting calls at the previous closing price, 528.69. We broke through it, guys. We hit the calls and we sold the move. If you're watching, we're making lower lows, right? Until we stopped making lower lows and we made higher highs. Another trade ended up getting into, big shout out to Dimitri. He ended up getting puts at the exact high of the day. I don't know how he does this. This is why he's my business partner, and this is why he's one of my best friends, because I love being around traders who are amazing, right? Dimitri, I don't put anyone just out there, guys. I don't hype anyone up. Dimitri is literally the best trader I have ever come across, guys. He holds the Discord down, and he continues to make us money day in and day out. Him, myself, and Jim C, guys, it is a powerhouse when it comes to options trading. And if you are a futures trader, you could follow along, but we recommend everyone, if you're able to pull out from Apex, put money in an options account, and we will teach you how to make money for the rest of your life. We don't know how long prop firms are going to be around. So anyways, Friday was Chop City, guys. There wasn't too many plays. I was lucky enough to be green on the day. It was a lot of fake outs, right? Every time we dipped, we ripped. Every time we ripped, we dipped, right? It was a continuous pattern for the day until we bottomed out and then ended up ripping. Right now, in the pre-market, guys, we're so close to 530. So what levels are we going to be playing? This is how I'm going to show you right now how I would be looking at this chart. So 530, of course, we have our 530 level, right? Where else? The previous resistance of the after hours, guys, is 529.41. This is also a good level. Now let's go to our next key level, 529, right? We have a massive rejection here. We held the support, massive rejection in the morning, 529.04. Perfect. Now let's go back down. Even though this gap has filled at 528.69, look at all the touch points we had all day and even in the after hours. This is a big level. So what I end up doing, after the gap is filled, I make it a straight line, end up putting it blue like all of them. This is a great point to be trading at, right? At the previous close of Thursday, 528.69. To the lower side, guys, we have our 528.18. And if you look, right, as soon as we broke through it, it was immediate bounce. This is what's complicated about trading certain key levels. You need to know if it's as a big level or a micro level. Even though SPY ended up respecting this, if you would have bought in calls here or bought in longs, of course you would have got stopped out. But look how the play entered or finished, right? Play ended up finishing. If you would have bought the lows down here, freaking ripped like crazy. So, for instance, this play, just say you bought in here, right? You bought the double bottom because this is our key level, 528.18. Say you got stopped out. You're not trying to keep buying and buying and buying and trying to find the bottom, right? You're first going to look for the first reaction, right? We broke through this level. The next reaction, this is where you should short from, right? And the put worked a little bit, okay? We came back up, we sold off. As soon as we broke the high of the previous candle, this is what you call a breakout move. This is when you buy the calls. As soon as we break over the previous 5-minute red candle, you buy in here and you ride the move up. It's a momentum play, right? You're not trying to just buy calls all day, all day, all day. You wait for confirmation. And that was a confirmation. As soon as we broke the high of the previous 5-minute red candle right here, we broke through it. You buy the calls and you were instantly green and did not flip red once. So we're trading the same levels that we've been trading. A lot of sideways actions. Friday's trading was horrible. Some people made a lot of money. I usually make a lot of money on days like this, so I'm thankful to be green, but you have to be very careful what levels you're playing. There's micro levels and there's macro levels. You can make key levels on the daily time frame, which are big levels, right? You can make levels on the 4-hour time frame, key levels, which they're very big as well. And then you can make the 30-minute, well, they're big, but they're not as big. And then you go start in the very micro. You go to the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Make sure you are color coding them. So if you're making a key level on the daily, put green. If you're making a key level on the 4-hour time frame, put blue. If you're making a key level on the 30-minute time frame, put red. So you know how big of a support or resistance that area is, okay? So that is it for me today, guys. The Daily Sniper is offering a 5-day free trial, guys. 0 risk. If you don't like it, cancel your subscription. Right now, guys, 5-day free trial. This is our last 5-day free trial. The Discord has been blowing up, guys. Everyone has been banking day in and day out. We are all about education. We have a 90% win rate. If you'd like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, guys, the link is in the bio. Thank you, guys, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care.